So for me, love and respect really go hand in hand. So before I share my vows with you and our family and friends, I wanted to share what I love and respect about you, Magdalena. First, I love your smile and your positive attitude. I respect the way you treat your friends and family, and I love the way you treat my mother and father. I love the way you jump and scream for joy when you get what you want. But I respect you that you jump and scream higher and louder when someone you love gets what they want.
Adair, you have shown me that unconditional love does exist. I vow to you to love you with the same unconditional love that you have shown me. I love everything about you. I love the way you treat your family and friends. I love the way you have welcomed my family into yours. I vow to always treat your family the same. I love that you love me no matter what I do.
For those that don't know the story, their first date was November 9th, 2014, exactly 5 years ago today.
Yes.
For the record, Renee and I also met through Plenty of Fish, but we're on the 10-year plan. And that's only because I've always told Adair, whatever he can do, I can do twice as good. That's my story, I'm sticking to it. So their first date was at a local restaurant called BJ's, is my understanding. Yes, BJ's. I hate to tell you, my friend, now that you're married, you won't be going back there. Don't fact check me, but I'm pretty sure that's a universal truth. So Adair, or Woody, depending on what time in your life, or his life that you met him, he's like a brother, really, truly. So it's really like welcoming Magdalena as a sister. I love you both. You know that movie, Jerry Maguire?
Yes.
From 1996? So there was an iconic line in that movie that I think really exemplifies their relationship. No, not show me the money. The romantic iconic line, you know what, I think I should have researched it a little better. but then I thought he said, "You complete me." Yes, you complete me. And you complete me. What strong words those are, and what woman doesn't want to hear or feel that? Now I don't know if Adair ever actually said those exact words to Magdalena. What I do know though is that actions speak volumes. I'm with them very often, and I see it all the time. It's ever present in their auras, I know Adair so well that I can say without hesitation that Magdalena truly does complete him, and he knows that. She taught him how to have fun. Well, re-taught him how to have fun. There's so much I can't say. They entertain, and they're always out doing fun things. It's something he needed for a long time. But he just didn't give in, he just didn't give that to himself as often as he needed to. He didn't know it, but what he needed so badly in his life is what this full of energy, sunshine, plenty of fish, fresh catch of a lifetime, brought to him and turned his world upside down, and he loves it, and that's, the rest is history.
Mom, you and I have been through the thick and thin and for life. For some people it hinders a relationship, but for you and I, it has only made our bond stronger. You have always been there for me, and I'm so honored to have stood next to you while you married your soulmate. A soulmate is not easy to find. It is often easy to get them confused with soulmates. These are people that you meet that are meant to affect your path, but they're not your life partner. But when I met Adair, I knew he was special right from the start. And the more I got to know him, the more I realized you finally met your soulmate. Many kids don't get to experience their parents meeting their soulmates. However, I was blessed with that opportunity. Adair, you have welcomed our family into your own, and watching your relationship with Mom grow has not only been a pleasure, but watching our relationship grow is extraordinary. I feel so honored to have you as a part of my family and on my support team, and to know that I can always count on you. Mom and Adair, you are yin and yangs. You are opposites in many ways, but the yin is not complete without the yang. You guys balance each other out and keep each other strong. I would like everyone to raise their glasses for this wonderful couple that after years of searching can happily say they have found their soulmate. I love you both so very much. Cheers to both of you, Mom and Dad.